Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by narrowing intent. Choose 2 precise keywords that capture the concept you need. Put quotes around exact phrases to lock word order and use a minus sign to remove irrelevant topics. This reduces noise. Try Cite to focus on a single source when you need authoritative info. Once done, skim titles and snippets to confirm relevance. Make sure to adjust one keyword at a time so you can see the effect of each change. You now layer precision with operators. Use file type, PDF, or in title to find specific formats or titles because format filters save reading time. Group terms with parentheses and/or to explore alternatives without losing structure. Use the Tools menu to set a date range when freshness matters. Once applied, examine cached snippets and look for domain patterns. This helps you judge authority. Make sure to avoid operator conflicts. You finish by verifying and saving. Check cached pages or the About This Result summary to confirm source quality, because not every high-ranking page is accurate. Save best links to bookmarks or copy them into a notes app for later reference. If you need to repeat this workflow, use search history to retrace steps. If results remain poor, try incognito, clear cookies/cache, or broaden keywords. This troubleshooting step resets personalization and often reveals better, unbiased results.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.